Hi, my name's Natasha Alott from Get Blissed, and I'm the Life Detox Coach.
Hi, my name is Christopher John Payne, and what I do is I help coaches, trainers and consultants turn their knowledge and skills into online courses.
Hi, my name's Emma Coates and I'm a home stager.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I help small to medium-sized businesses automate their marketing. So in particular, I help them put in place email marketing campaigns within Infusionsoft.
I'm John and I run a garage that sells cars and repairs them.
Hi, I'm Jason Gillot and I'm a joint venture broker.
I decided to come to James Nicholson's event because, I met him at the Excel in London, and I thought what he had to say about Facebook and online presence was just exactly what I needed to start and form my own business.
I decided to come to the event today because I was interested to find out about internet advertising.
Well, I came today to James Nicholson's event because I wanted to give more value and more content to my fabulous clients, and digital marketing is his area of massive expertise.
One of the reasons I decided to come to James's event today is that I came back in February and it was absolutely brilliant. So I immediately at the end of the February event signed up to come to this one. And I'm always looking to look for new ideas, new ways of looking at things, and the other thing is get me re-inspired and thinking bigger.
I decided to come to James's event today because I saw that there was an amazing bunch of speakers, so I wanted to come and learn about Facebook advertising, internet marketing, and how to get your business online so you're not just providing a service, you've actually got products you can offer to people as well.
So what I was hoping to gain out of today was more information about how to maximise my social media presence and how to get the most out of Google AdWords and get myself onto page one so that when my clients are looking for me, they can find me.
By coming to today's event, I was hoping to get out of that some opportunities to network with people, possibly find some joint venture opportunities, and just learn lots of information that I can go away and implement within my business to help me get more clients and make more money as a result.
What I was hoping to get out of today's event, how to do really clever Facebook ads that worked, whereas so many people have done Facebook ads and failed. And I knew there was this guy called Tom Smith who was coming today, and what he was going to do was show what it is that you need to do to make Facebook ads really work.
What I was hoping to get out of today's event were new tips, not necessarily tricks, but shortcuts, maybe life hacks with regard to things related to internet marketing for my business.
Out of today's event, I think the majority of what I was hoping to get out of is to get away from my complete and utter fear of technology, which it has helped absolutely. It's taken the fear element away from me because I'm not a technological person in the slightest.
I would definitely recommend coming to one of James Nicholson's events because he's got a fantastic lot of content, loads of little golden nuggets for everybody, and some fantastic speakers. Today, for instance, we had the wonderful, gorgeous Andy Harrington, who is always a pleasure to listen to.
If someone's thinking of coming to one of James Nicholson's events, I would say you've definitely got to be here. There's so much content, there's so much information, there's so many great people here to interact with. If you're thinking about coming and you're not sure, I'd say just definitely come. You'll definitely have something that you can take away from it and implement within your business.
Get ready to be bombarded with a massive amount of information when you come to a James Nicholson's event, because you do, but it's all good content. And be prepared to enjoy yourself and meet a lot of good people.
Well, if you're even thinking about coming to one of James's events, I would recommend just come. Commit to coming. I know sometimes the weather's fantastic outside and there's so many other social things you can do, but you can invest time at a weekend event like this and your whole thinking can completely transform, and you can go away and the whole of the next week you're suddenly doing things in a different way and at a higher level and implementing, and you can achieve more in the week after James's event than the whole previous month. And that's why when he came to this event, he said, let me tell you some stories of what people did from between February and now. And it's amazing, the results. And my business has moved on since February, and that's why I'm here. So you should come. It's amazing.